picture, you see a blue door. You can see doors in houses, apartments, and cars. What color is your bedroom door? Wash. When you clean something, you are washing it. In the picture, a girl is washing. Yellow soap is next to water. Do you use soap when you wash? Bubble. There are many bubbles in the picture. They are round. How many bubbles can you count in the picture? Park. This is a place with trees and nature where people can get together. What are the people in the park doing? Leave. When you go from a place, you leave. The arrow is pointing to a boy who is leaving. When do you leave school? Read. When you look at words in a book, you read them. Then, you will know the story. In the picture, the girl is reading a book. Stick. It's a piece of a tree. Is there a stick around you? What can you use a stick for? Lay. You see a picture of an egg. It comes from a bird. You can eat it. Do you like to eat eggs? Egg. When a bird puts eggs in a nest, it lays the eggs. The eggs come from the bird. How many eggs did the bird lay? Fall. When something goes down from a higher place, it falls. In the picture, the ball falls down. Do you fall sometimes? Wet. The shirt in the picture has water on it. It's wet. Can you find a wet thing around you now? Appear. When something comes into view, it appears. First, you can't see the sun. Then, you can when it appears. When does your teacher appear in the classroom? Steel. In the picture, you see things that are made of steel. It is very strong and hard. Do you have anything made of steel? Policeman. He helps people. He catches bad people. Some policemen walk with police dogs. Where does a policeman work? Bad. The boy is bad because he took money that was not his. He is not good. Are you a good student or a bad student? Listen and choose the right answer. Bubble. Door. Wash. Leave. Park. Read. Stick. Lay. Egg. Wet. Appear. Fall. Policeman. Bad. Steal. Words. Dirty. When a thing has dirt on it, it's dirty. It is not clean. The teddy bear is dirty. What is dirty around you now? Are your shoes clean or dirty? Empty. The plate has nothing on it. The plate is empty. Is your pencil case around you now? Is it empty? Container. You put things in a container and you can close it. It is like a box. Do you have a container? Woman. She is a female. Your mom is a woman. When a girl becomes older, she is a woman. Is your school teacher a woman? Classroom. This is a room in a school where people learn. You see a teacher in the classroom. Who else is in the classroom? Point. In the picture, you see a finger pointing to the girl. The finger shows where the girl is. Can you point your finger at your book? Visit. In the picture, you see the boy visiting the man and woman. The boy goes there to see them for a short time. How often do you visit your grandparents? Money. The picture shows money. That's a lot of money. You use money to buy things. What do you want to buy if you have money now? Save. When you put money in a bank, you save it. You don't buy anything with it. Do you save money? Pocket. The arrow in the picture points to a pocket. You can put things in the pocket. What do you put in your pocket? Hole. A hole is a place with nothing in it. In the picture, you can see a black spot. That is a hole. If you put something into the hole, the thing would go down. Can you dig a hole? Open. In the picture, the doors are open. You can go through the doors. They are not closed. Is your door open now? Middle. The red house is in the middle of the houses. You use in the middle of when there are things on each side of the thing. What is in the middle of your house? Ship. You can see a ship in the water in the picture. A ship is a big boat. You can see ships more in the sea than in rivers. Have you been on a ship? Rest. When you rest, you don't work. The boy is resting by the water. Where do you like to rest? Listen and choose the right answer. Dirty. Empty. Container. Woman. Point. Classroom. Money. Visit. Save. Open. Pocket. Hole. Middle. Ship. Rest. Words. Fork. The picture shows a fork. You use it to eat food, such as spaghetti salad and steak. What else do you use when you eat with a fork? Plate. The picture shows a plate. You put food on it before you eat. What do you put on your plates? Bowl. You see a picture of a bowl. You put food in a bowl before you eat it. Soup is a food that goes in a bowl. What other food do you put in a bowl? Popular. When many people know a person, that person is popular. The man in the picture is popular. So the girls want him to sign the paper. Who is a popular student in your school? Wear. When you have clothes, you are wearing them. You wear your coat when it's cold. What do you wear when it's sunny? Street. In the picture, you see an arrow pointing to a street. Cars go on the street. How many streets do you see in the picture? Meet. When you see and know a person for the first time, you meet them. In the picture, the man and woman meet. Do you like to meet your friends? Enemy. The eagle is trying to eat the mouse. The eagle is the mouse's enemy. What other animal is the mouse's enemy? Hide. Look at the cat in the picture. It is hiding in the trash can. The dog is looking for the cat. Do you play hide and seek? Gray. It is a color that you see in the picture. What things are gray in color? Rain. Water falling from the sky is rain. You use an umbrella when it rains. Do you like rain? How is the weather today in your town? Over. If something is over another thing, it is above it. In the picture, what is over the flower? Yes, a bee is over the flower. Listen and choose the right answer. Plate. Fork. Bowl. Street. Where. Popular. Enemy. Hide. Meet. Rain. Over. Gray.